Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the AMD error code 207 in the most easiest way. To get started, simply open your browser and search for display driver uninstaller. From the search results, go to the specific web page. From here, click any of the mirror and download the file. Once you download the file, open a new tab and search for AMD drivers. Then go to the official web page of AMD, and from here download the latest driver for your GPU. Once downloaded, disconnect your PC from the internet. Then search for msconfig and click on System Configuration. Then go to Boot, select Save Boot, click on Apply and OK, and then click on Restart. Once your PC enters the safe mode, extract the contents of the DDU folder. Now inside this folder, double click on this DDU file and extract it. Now go inside the extracted folder and run the display driver uninstaller tool. Now click on this drop down and select GPU. Now click here and select AMD from the list. Now go to options and at the bottom under advanced options check mark prevent download of driver from Windows Update and click on OK. And then finally click on Clean and Restart. After restart, run the setup file of the latest driver that you downloaded from AMD's website. Once done with the installation, search for msconfig again and click on System Configuration. Then go to the Boot tab and uncheck the Save Boot option, click on Apply, OK, and then click on Restart. After restart, go to the extracted folder of DDU, then run the display driver uninstaller tool. Then go to options, then under advanced options uncheck the option that you checkmarked earlier, click on OK, close everything, restart your computer and you are good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe the channel if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.